So guys, finally Realme is releasing Android Pie update on Realme 2 Pro. A latest variant is spotted on GEEKBENCH. I'll tell you everything about when Realme is releasing Android Pie update on Realme 2 Pro. I want you all to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified when I upload my videos. So guys, let's talk about specifications of Realme 2 Pro. This device was launched in September 2018 with 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display along with 19:9 aspect ratio, 409 ppi pixel density, and it is powered by Snapdragon 660 octa-core chipset. It's having 4GB, 6GB and 8GB RAM variants, and there are two internal storage variants, 64GB and 128GB. The storage of the phone is also expandable up to 256GB via microSD card. Talking about the camera, it has 16 megapixel plus 2 megapixel dual camera setup on the back, and there is a AI based 16 megapixel selfie shooter with f2.0 aperture, and there is a 3500 mAh battery. Talking about the latest leak on the Geekbench, at the end of last year, Realme confirmed that it will release Android Pie to Realme 2 Pro smartphone by the first half of 2019, but now it seems like Realme 2 Pro owners might soon get the stable Android Pie OS. The smartphone was spotted on Geekbench running the latest Android 9 Pie operating system. We also know that Realme is a sub-brand of Oppo, and when Realme 2 Pro was launched, it was launched with ColorOS 5.2, Android 8.1 Oreo. The latest leak in the Geekbench shows us that company might soon push the final and stable version of Android Pie to Realme 2 Pro. Realme is yet to confirm this information. Besides, the company is also set to release the update to the Realme 1 in the first quarter of 2019. So that's it guys. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.